Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna share you a basic skincare which can be used by men and women both. So this is gonna be helpful for a beginner who want to start with their skincare right now. So first I'm gonna go in with my toner, which is by Plum. If you can see this, so yeah, this is niacinamide toner. It's a rice water and niacinamide toner. So first step should be इससे पहले step होना चाहिए कि a good cleanser should be there. So you can use Cetaphil gentle cleanser, or you can use a Cetaphil cleanser according to your skin type. There is an oily one and there is one for dry skin as well. And you can even use like Simple. There is a one brand called Simple. It's an inexpensive brand, affordable brand. So you can use that cleanser. It's the transparent bottle one. You can decide according to your skincare. I love that. It's good for oily skin. You can even use that. It's very gentle. Even your other skin types can also be use it during the summers. And second should be a Plum Niacinamide toner, or any toner to be prepared for. So according to your skin type, if you have a drier skin, you can go in with the milk toner. So it will be more hydrating for you. So that's there. Then this is a Cetaphil. I vouch for this a lot because it helps me with my acne a lot. This is like a healing balm kind of situation. You can use this as well for your face. This is the best. This is dermatologist recommended. It's for both men and women. You can use it. It's unisex, so don't worry. It's not gonna harm you. These are medicated or pharma-based products, so this will be helping for your skincare to repair your barrier. Because आपने इतने टाइम से स्किन केयर कुछ किया नहीं है, so yeah, this will help you a lot with that. So that's there. And then you can use any sunscreen. I'm using this Aquaria sunscreen. I have a lot of sunscreen recommendation. I'll just share that a video, which is like one you can use Dermaco, lot of other Dermaco 1% hyaluronic gel sunscreen. You can even use that. You can use this. This is like acne for, this is for oily and acne skin. There is also one for dry skin as well available. You can find this on Amazon and in their website as well. This is also very good. If you want a summer ke liye, you can use Dermaco as well. So this is a very basic skincare to start with for a beginner friendly, and try to use a sunscreen daily, and also be focused on reapplying the sunscreen because that matters the most. And sunscreen is a very basic, and it should be a necessity nowadays because if you see the heat of Mumbai or any part of the India or country, it's getting hotter, so you should apply sunscreen. So that was my basic and simple recommendation for anyone who wanted to start with a skincare journey. So hope you like it. In future, I'll share with a lot of serums and everything as well, which I use and I will recommend you later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Toodle.